Here's 5 things you should never do in the gym. Number 1. Nobody cares about how big you can lift. If we can hear you above our headphones, you're too loud. Number 2. Don't be intimidated by low weights. Building muscle isn't just about how much you can lift, it's about perfecting your form. Your shoulders postured right, and just lift. Number 3. Do I even have to explain this one? Number 4, please, please, please remember to drink water during your sets. Stay hydrated, keep that energy going, take a breath, let your muscles relax. Don't overstress. Don't overwork yourself. And number 5, don't hog the machines. There are other people in the gym. Except at 12 o'clock in the morning when you're here by yourself filming a video. Then you can do whatever you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.